We are in a new location today, the southwest part of our property. Thought we'd give you guys a different view. This is the 3 seasonings we'll be using, simple 3. We are doing French dip sandwiches using the chuck roast, a couple hot peppers. Charcoal is going. Just using the vertical smoker because it's easy to carry out here. All of our wood is soaking wet from storms the past 3 days, so no using this in the box. This is the meat we'll be using. Nothing special, just certified Angus beef, boneless chuck roast. Alright, a little extra virgin olive oil. Granulated garlic. Buttery steakhouse. Blackened steak. There's our local train. It has appeared in every single video. For the sides, I'm just using the blackened steak. Hope you guys enjoyed our extreme smoke effect we had going on there. Again with the garlic. Buttery steakhouse. Blackened steak. Alright, and we'll let that sit until our coals get hot. Alright, our roast is ready to go on. Smoker is heated. Put it right in the middle. Throw a couple cherry wood chunks in. Close her up. We were walking the property, just looking, and we saw this, what we thought was a butterfly, but it has 4 wings, so we're not sure if it is a butterfly. Zoom in on it. Oh, you got it.
This is the weird nature fact of the day. We always have this in our videos. There's the perfect angle, 4 wings.
Very strange. Alright, it's been about an hour. We're just going to do a quick temp check to see where we're at. 135, but I'm trying to get it a little bit dunner. So we're gonna let it keep going. Alright, we're gonna do a temp check. It's been another hour. Right around the 140s. Almost 150. Yeah, right around 145. We're going to about 170. I have a cast iron pan in there heating up, catching drippings. And in a little bit, I'm going to cut up some onions and throw them in there with a little bit of beef base. Temp check. About 150. Over. Now I'm going to pull the water pan out. The appropriate gloves this time. Temperature get up a little higher. Let that cast iron pan get real hot, and then we'll put in some onions. Oh, cherry wood, of course. Cut some onions up. I have a half an onion and a whole. I don't know if I'm using it all. Just depends. Best part about being out by the woods is you can just throw stuff in it. The ends will keep kind of big. Cut it down the middle. Table's a little wobbly. And I should have got a bigger cutting board. Oh well. Here we go. Alright, I got a little oil in the pan. Now we're going to add some onions that I cut up. We're also getting the drippings from the roast for flavor. I like to drop onions on the ground so that way ants can eat it. Add a touch more oil. Let these go for a few minutes, and then we'll add more to it. Did add a jalapeno. Okay, onions are going to the point of where I want them. We are making au jus dip in the house, but out here is just a little beef base. Flavor up these onions some. And some simple water. Just to give onions that beefy flavor. We're gonna let that go about 20 minutes and then we should be good. Alright, we've hit our temp. I put it down lower to give it a nice sear, to build a nice crust on it. Look at that sizzle. Take it in, let it rest about 15 minutes, and then we'll slice it up. Still hot.
Is it balling or is it falling?
Ballin'.